have here today?
I'm Trey, this is Jonah.
Trey, Jonah, what are we doing today?
Over skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers?
Yeah.
You trust this guy to throw you out?
Yeah.
You trust me to throw you out?
Yeah.
You guys are both crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
This one?
Yeah, blame the man. We always blame the man. Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this?
Let's do it.
What about you?
Do it.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, and the phone. Burn all of it. Bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. High five. High five. High five.
Here we go, guys. Go up really high, come down really fast.
Oh yeah. Woo. All right. Here we go. Let's get in this thing. Let's get up. Let's get out. Let's go rock skydive. Have some fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. Woo. Pull the right one down. It's gonna get crazier. Pull it all the way down. All the way. Look at the camera. Yeah. Woo! All the way around. Hands up. You wanna do another one? Pull the left one down. Go ahead, pull it down. Yeah. Like harder. Hands up. Good. We made it back down. What do you think of that?
That was awesome.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Gonna do that again someday?
Maybe.
Yeah, next time I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta find the golf ball and pull it out, okay?
Yeah,
good job, bud.
summertime next time.
Yeah, Skydive Colorado Springs, come out and see us again. Woo!